Hi, this is Max from Arbitrage Hero, and in this video I will show you how to scan and add items using Amazon Seller app. You should see a screen of my phone now. Seller app is the only tool that I personally use, and it is a vital tool when it comes to analyzing and adding products to my Amazon inventory. You can scan products by clicking a camera icon in the right hand corner like this. Once you have pressed this button, then the Seller app will start your phone camera and you can start scanning products. The most reliable way is to scan products using their barcodes like this. So you can see that the Amazon Seller app has found this particular product and it is showing me sales rank straight away and buy box for this product on this screen. So if you feel that sales rank is good and the price is good, then you can analyze this product by going to details page for this product. And here, if you press on the first link, then you will end up on this screen. You need to make sure that you select Amazon fulfilled, and then once on the screen, you need to enter the price which you have paid for this product or which you are going to pay for this product. Let's say it was £8, and if it was £8, you can see that Amazon Seller app would be telling you straight away the profit which you will be able to make from this particular item. In this case, it is a good item, and if you see good profit, then you can add this product by going back to product details page and pressing list button in the lower right corner like this. Once you are on the screen, you need to make sure that you enter correct price. Let's say you want to sell it for £23. You need to make sure that you select condition as new. And finally, you need to make sure that Amazon will dispatch and provide customer service option is selected for you. Once you have done all of that, you should press continue, then review item details here, and then you can submit your listing so it will be added to your inventory, and then you will be able to send it to Amazon. Sometimes barcodes cannot be scanned, like for this product which I have here. So if I scan it, you can see that Amazon Seller app couldn't find anything. In this case, you can try to scan the item using its packaging. So in this case, I have this item here. So you can see that it has found several items, but none of them have any sales rank, so I wouldn't be interested in selling any of those. Another way to search for a product is by using search field here. So you can just type name of the product to try to find it. Let's say it's Legends Red Goblin. If I search for it, you can see that it has found multiple items like that. And the first item is the one which I was showing you at the beginning of this video. So when you are on the home page of the Seller app, you can also go to Add Product area, and from here you can also search for products. Also, this screen has camera button here, which does exactly the same as I was showing you before. It has a search field here. By pressing history link on the screen, you can view your history of all scans which you have just had. You can use Amazon Seller app to scan items and analyze items when you visit retail stores, but you can also use Seller app to scan items when you are doing online arbitrage. So for example, if I press camera button here to start scanning, you can see that I am on the web page here and I can go and scan this item, and you can see that it is successfully scanning items from the monitor, so you can analyze products by browsing the internet as well. At this point, you should know everything to start building your inventory. What I want you to do now is to allocate some time and go to physical stores and try to find items that you can resell on Amazon. Also try to visit some online shops to see whether you can find products there too. I will also provide you with links to online stores below this video for the UK and for the United States, so you can use those when you try to do online arbitrage. You need to buy enough items for your first inventory, so you need to probably buy at least 10 items to be able to fill the box and to send it to Amazon. At this stage, try not to buy big items, because quite often those bigger items are going to be sent to a dedicated warehouse, so you wouldn't be able to mix them with smaller items. At least this is what I have experienced in the UK. In the next video I will show you how to create your first shipment and how to send it to Amazon. I hope this was helpful. This was Max from Arbitrage Hero. I will see you in the next video.